This is not CGI. These places actually exist. Some of them look like scenes from a big-budget Hollywood movie. But the craziest thing is that they are all completely real, and you can actually visit them. Today I'm going to show you 10 of the most unreal locations on Earth that will blow your mind. If you love travel and incredible nature, stay until the end. Let's go and discover these wonders together right now. First up is Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia. This is the largest salt flat in the world, covering over 10,000 square kilometers. After rain, a thin layer of water turns it into the biggest mirror on Earth. The reflection is so perfect that you can't tell where the ground ends and the sky begins. It creates an unbelievable optical illusion. It feels like you're literally walking on the sky. People travel from all over the world just to take photos here that look completely fake. No editing needed. It's that surreal. This place has been used in many Hollywood movies and big commercials because it's already perfect. This place is so surreal that many movies and commercials have been filmed here. Salar de Uyuni is truly a masterpiece of nature. Next, Zhangjiajie National Park in China. These towering sandstone pillars can reach up to 200 meters high and look like they're floating in the clouds. The misty atmosphere makes them appear completely unreal, almost like they're from another world. These unique mountains became world famous because they directly inspired the floating Hallelujah Mountains in the movie Avatar. James Cameron's team actually came here for inspiration. There are over 3,000 of these massive pillars scattered across the park, and if you're brave enough, you can walk on glass bridges suspended at insane heights with nothing but clouds beneath your feet. The views are absolutely breathtaking. Number 3 is something completely different. This is Lake Hillier in Australia. What you're looking at is one of the most surreal natural wonders on the planet. A lake that is bright pink all year round. No filters, no editing, no tricks whatsoever. The intense pink color comes from a special type of microalgae called Dunaliella salina. These bacteria love the extremely salty water and produce a pink pigment to protect themselves from the harsh sun. The contrast is what makes it truly insane. Vibrant hot pink water right next to a dense green forest and white sand. From above, it looks like something straight out of a fantasy movie. Moving on to number 4, the incredible Pamukkale Terraces in Turkey. These are the Pamukkale Terraces, also known as the Cotton Castle. These stunning white travertine terraces were formed over thousands of years by mineral-rich hot springs flowing slowly down the mountainside. The water is warm, around 35-36 degrees Celsius, and super rich in calcium. You can actually walk barefoot through these natural pools and even swim in some of them. It looks like pure white snow or giant fields of cotton, but it's actually warm mineral water. The contrast between the bright white terraces and the turquoise blue pools is absolutely breathtaking and unlike anything else on Earth. And for the 5th and final place, we're staying in the USA. This is Antelope Canyon in Arizona. This incredible slot canyon was formed over thousands of years by powerful flash floods that eroded the soft sandstone. When the sun hits at just the right angle, usually around midday, the light beams pour down into the canyon and make the smooth sandstone walls glow with this magical, fiery orange and red light. The swirling shapes and glowing colors look absolutely unreal. It's one of the most photographed places in the entire world, and many people say it looks like it's from another planet or inside a giant piece of art. Moving on to number 6, and this one is absolutely insane. Deep in Brazil lies a place called Lençóis Maranhenses. At first glance, it looks like a vast white desert, but during the rainy season, it transforms into thousands of bright turquoise and blue lagoons scattered across the sand dunes. It looks like someone photoshopped hundreds of Maldives-style lagoons into the middle of the Sahara Desert, but it's completely real. The sand is so fine and white, and the water is so crystal clear that the whole landscape looks surreal. You can swim in these natural pools while surrounded by endless dunes. It's one of the most unique and beautiful places on Earth. And for the 7th and final breathtaking place, we head to Chile. This is the Marble Caves, also known as the Marble Cathedral. Located on the shores of Lake General Carrera, these incredible caves were formed over thousands of years by the waves of the lake eroding the pure marble rock. The walls have these smooth, swirling patterns in shades of blue, turquoise, and white that look like a living piece of abstract art. When the sunlight hits the water, it reflects beautiful blue patterns onto the marble walls. It feels like you're inside a giant marble sculpture or a dream. One of the most unique and beautiful natural formations you will ever see. And for the 8th and final place, we go to one of the most alien-looking locations on Earth. This is Socotra Island in Yemen, often called the most bizarre place on the planet. This island has been isolated for millions of years, which is why it looks and feels like another world. The most famous are the dragon blood trees. They look like giant mushrooms or umbrellas from a sci-fi movie. The entire island is filled with hundreds of unique plants and strange rock formations that you won't find anywhere else. It genuinely looks like a landscape from another planet. And for number 9, we're going to a river that looks like it was painted with 5 different colors. This is Caño Cristales in Colombia, often called the most beautiful river in the world. For a few months every year, the riverbed explodes with vibrant red, pink, yellow, green, and blue colors. This magical effect is created by a unique aquatic plant called Macarenia clavigera. When the water level is just right and sunlight hits it, the plants turn bright red and pink, while the rocks and water give the other colors. It genuinely looks like liquid rainbow flowing through the jungle. And for the 10th and final place, we finish our list with one of the most colorful natural wonders on the planet. This is the Grand Prismatic Spring in Yellowstone National Park, USA. It is the largest hot spring in the United States, and easily one of the most beautiful places you will ever see. The incredible rainbow colors are created by different species of thermophilic bacteria and algae that thrive in the extremely hot water. The center is a deep, vivid blue, while the outer rings glow with bright orange, yellow, green, and red. From high above, it looks like a giant colorful eye or a painting made by nature itself. It's so vibrant and perfect that it's almost impossible to believe. This is 100% real.
So those were 10 of the most unreal and breathtaking places on Earth that actually exist. From walking on the sky in Bolivia to glowing canyons, rainbow rivers, alien islands, and giant colorful hot springs, our planet is far more beautiful and crazy than we usually think. Which of these 10 places surprised you the most? Write your favorite in the comments below. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.